Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. Happy Thanksgiving holiday to everybody. I hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving. Happy holidays, and we'll be here all through Vlogmas. Yay! So we're doing a Thanksgiving vlog right now with the royal family. We cook together. Okay, I like that. Family that cooks together stays together, and that way everybody's working hard on different parts of the meal. Brings everybody together, so that's good. All right, let's get into it.
Chicken down. I said, ooh, open.
You're really playing with your food right now.
Oh, babe. Don't do that. It's the royal family. It's the royal family. What's up, royal family? It's your girl, Queen.
What up?
What
it's
up?
Your boy, Clarence.
And we are back for Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to all the beautiful families out there.
All our supporters.
All the moms. All the dads. All the grannies, everybody who's making the sweet potato pies and the food. Today, I'm gonna be cooking, but I'm gonna have my guy here help me. He told me he can throw down. I told him that all he could do is really make burgers, so he said he's gonna prove me wrong. So he's in charge of the dressing, the yams. I'm in charge of the mac and cheese.
Hold on, bro. You did not even tell me none of that. You said I was cutting shit up.
Yeah.
I don't know how to make yams and mac and...
Good, I just want you to say that on camera. Yeah, because I'm in charge of that. But he's going to be helping me.
Go, Queen. Uh-huh. Yep, got him. Queen is petty fam. That was funny, Queen. I liked it. He said, hold on. What? I'm in charge of what? Now he mad. He tight.
This is Clarence and Queen. We're cooking for Thanksgiving today. You want to cut the onion? You be in charge of cutting the onion because, yeah, you need to cry a little bit. You need to cry a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Just like,
what?
Why did you just get in front of me like that?
Because it's my good side. All right, y'all. So hold on, wait. Before we get into it, I want to show you guys something. Last night, what, babe? Chill out. You ain't no killer, but don't push me. Last night, I made a sweet potato pie. All right, it has a fork in it, a fork mark in it because, babe, stop. Babe, because if I, stop it.
Why do you have a...
hair tie right there?
Yeah.
Because...
on your shirt.
Because if I let it go down any further, they're going to see my nipples. And do you want them to see it?
Why don't you just change your shirt?
Babe, because I like this shirt. Chill out. I made a sweet potato pie last night. Here's the thing, though. I didn't have no buttermilk, and it was too late to order buttermilk and too late to go to the store. So I went on Google, and Google said to make buttermilk, substitute. You can use milk and a little bit of vinegar. I know, right? I know. I was like,
You know what kind of people's on Google.
No, but it says a good stuff. That was the #1 substitute, milk and vinegar, because the vinegar is the acid.
Well, you know who's
that's
in Google.
What you mean who's on Google? Babe, sweet potato pie. Don't do that. Sweet potato, not pumpkin.
Did you go to Black Google?
No.
I'm with you, Claire. Claire trying to tell you. He's like, it's sweet potato pie, and then there's sweet potato. And it's pumpkin pie that look like a sweet potato, but then you're going to be surprised when you eat it and think it's sweet potato. I'm with you. He say Black Google.
I went to just regular Google, but hopefully you want to taste the first slice?
Yeah, I would love to taste it.
Let's do that. You want to do it right now or later?
We should do that right now. Did you get hungry?
No, I said it was a fork mark in there because I was checking to see if it was done, and it just kind of...
Now, don't come for Claire. I mean, for Queen Claire, because everybody got to make sure it's done. Fork marks are traditional ways to check the temperature and see that it's all the way done. If she did that the right way, leave her alone. And I'm sure that pie tastes delicious, you know?
Smell if it...
How's it smell?
If it tastes like vinegar, bro...
I ain't gonna lie. No, I didn't taste it yet. You want to taste it? It's
not gonna taste like vinegar because what she said made sense. Okay, we're gonna see.
You taste it first. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to let him get the first slice of the pie.
It's gonna taste like pumpkin pie.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Do not do that.
You know who likes pumpkin pie and who likes sweet potato pie.
Well, it's gonna taste like sweet potato pie today. You gotta eat the whole thing. How is it?
Why you messing with her? You know that's fine. Look at his face. He wouldn't even took the rest of it if it wasn't good.
I'm so nervous.
I don't taste no vinegar.
You don't taste vinegar?
No.
But how is it though?
It's good.
It's good? Alright, y'all, I'm about to get into this cooking. So first thing we gotta do. Now that's good. I don't know what you're about. Best thing to do is cut it in half first. Oh no, I like to dice my onions. So I make little slits in the top.
Bet you can't dice it like me.
Yeah, because I could dice it, better. I've been dicing a little bit more. The crazy thing is, we don't even have to do this. I have a whole like dicer.
Don't you have a chopper?
Yeah, I have a chopper.
Why do you make me?
I got a chop in my trunk. All right, so what you're gonna do is open this up. Now they know about this.
I see you, Detroit. All right, girl.
Ain't on my channel. They know about this. Ooh, you have to be really careful because this blade is really sharp. So you're gonna throw all of them in there.
The little ones?
Yeah, but you have to do those too. I'm trying to get out of it.
Oh, so what I'm saying, you throwing these in there or these? After they're chopped, you throw them in there.
Yeah, after they chop.
Gotcha.
See that? That's how you dice some onions.
Ah!
Oh, babe! Don't do that. You know my nerves.
Yeah, I know I get you.
Don't do that. All right, I got you.
What do you mean? What does that mean?
You want to play around? I'm a fan. Right on spot.
You just told me what you're gonna do.
So we got all these onions, y'all. We got these onions. I think I'm an onion girl. I like onions. Onions are very good, especially.
You smell like onion.
What? Don't do that. I just showered.
Claire, look what being mean to this girl. Everybody who chop onions smell like onions. Don't come for her.
But see, now they gonna say you told me I stink again on camera. You smell like onions. Now we even. Smell like celery.
I smell like celery.
Oh God. Oh. Is it getting your IG?
A little bit like my left eye.
Ooh, onions is not for the weak. It's not for the weak.
Just wanted to show y'all my pulling skills.
His pulling skills are great. Pull-in skills, not pull-out skills. Yeah.
Where's my pull-out skills?
His pull-out game, you know what I'm saying? Had to take it. Never mind.
Don't disrespect my pull-out game.
You know what I'm saying? Had to take a couple of playing alphabets. A little bit more. A little bit more. We want to be diced.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was. Don't get the coughing. So, we're not about to keep recording like the whole thing, but what I'm about to do is.
We'll show y'all the next step for sure.
I'm about to rinse this out and then I'm about to create my stock for my dressing.
Yeah, this ain't a how-to video. This is
just a
vlog, right?
It's not
a vlog.
It's just a vlog. We're not about to show y'all the steps. Maybe one day.
I'm not gonna show y'all all my secrets today.
You mean my secret? I dissected this chicken last night. It's been marinated. Why are you looking like that? It's been marinating, y'all. If I turn this chicken around, you will see that I cut the back out. The reason why I did that is because you want it to lay flat so it can cook faster. I put the legs in instead of out.
Okay. I've never heard of that. So that's good. Take the back out so it lay flat and cook faster. Okay. And good job with the marinade nowadays. He's going to be flavorful. I like it.
Babe, it's what you eat.
I know.
Y'all should see Clarence's face right now.
I'm not usually the one like seeing this though. That chicken need to put some clothes on.
All right, here, I'll just close the legs so you can't see the stuff. So I didn't really rub this chicken down. I said, ooh, open.
You're really playing with your food right there.
I'm gonna take the remainder of all this marinade. And this is a good marinade, y'all. I got a bunch of stuff in it. You're just gonna rub it on there. I already had the olive oil on there. So you gotta really massage the chicken. But see, the thing is, we're not even gonna use this skin. The skin is, I'm gonna eat the skin. The skin, I'm gonna eat the skin because what goes in the dressing is just the inside of the babe, why are you looking at me like that?
You're just gonna eat skin?
Yes, I'm gonna eat the skin. The chicken meat is going to go inside of the dressing.
But you just eat skin though? Like that's it? Like just the skin?
Babe, you never ate the skin of a chicken? Like real crispy roasted skin? Babe, you don't know nothing about You don't know how to eat chicken, that's why. So I'm gonna put this in here for an hour, y'all. Go show them the stock, babe. Show them what you did.
There's no nudity over here, what I'm doing. This is what I did. It kind of looks like apples, but it's really...
That looks nice. That really looks nice, Claire. I like her chicken too. That's gonna be good. I love all the marinade in it.
Onions and celery. And I added one of these Swanson chicken broth. We added a onion soup mix. You know what I mean? And then 2 cups of water. That's what this looks like.
But what we're gonna do next is start the cornbread. So it's cornbread dressing, y'all. So we make the cornbread, and once the cornbread is done, while it's hot, you're gonna break it all up into the pan. Pour the stock into it, put the chicken pieces in it, cream of chicken and cream of celery. Cream of celery in there, and the stovetop stuffing mix. Now, I don't make stuffing, I make dressing. This just goes in the dressing to help bread it up a little bit. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna get started on Clarence's favorite thing.
Mac and cheese?
Yeah, that mac and cheese, baby. You like that?
I'm not gonna lie, if you stick your spoon into mac and cheese and you don't get a little slightly
Tell them how it's supposed to sound. Make it sound.
slightly aroused, then it's like, what are you eating?
Yeah, so what I'm doing is I am cutting up my cheeses. Well, whatever I'm gonna put inside of my cheese sauce for my macaroni and cheese. So the noodles are already done. They're over there sitting there.
Okay, I see you, Queen. So do y'all use different types of cheeses in your mac and cheese? That'd probably be good. I wonder what kind she using. I think she got like a big cube of cheese. That's probably good. That's real thick cheese.
So what I'm gonna put my cheese sauce is I already put a stick of butter over in there. And then I have a half a block of Velveeta cheese. Today I'm using 2%. You know, 2%.
You put cream cheese in your mac and cheese?
Yeah. Yeah. And then we're gonna put this whole block of cream cheese in there. Very good, very good. And then what? Why you look like
I didn't know that.
No, but that's good. See, that's why you need to be in there when she cooks, so you know what's going in there. But no, she's right, because that makes it thick. Like he's like really thick cheese, you know, and make it nice and creamy with that. So I agree. Good job, Queen.
Do you like cream cheese or do you not like it?
I don't really like, I don't know.
You don't know what you like.
He don't know what he like she said.
Because last time you ate it, you liked it. You didn't even know. So just shh. Hold on, y'all, 1 second. So all this cheese, I shredded this up. I grated this cheese yesterday. This is gonna go in the macaroni and cheese after I put the cheese sauce in the noodles in the pan. So I'm just cutting the blocks up, y'all, and then once I get a good cheese sauce going, I will show y'all the pan again. I'll also put pet milk in there. Not milk that you give to pets, but it's evaporated milk. So yeah, and I'm cutting it in chunks because it's gonna make it melt. I don't even think the camera's on me at this point, babe.
I was looking at the cheese.
What's wrong? You don't like the cheese?
No, I was just focused on the cheese.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. We'll make sure that's done. Clarence is going to be helping me cook some more stuff very soon.
Where's this kid going?
Oh, legend. He's fast. Jeez.
Oh, you got scared.
Not neck bones, these turkey necks, smoked turkey necks. Right now that's going so that can get real tender and fall off the bone. Once that falls off the bone, I'm gonna put the greens over in there and pour that water out. But yeah, so I just turned the cheese sauce on. Those are the yams that are getting ready to get soft. Once those get soft, I'm gonna make the sauce for those.
Happy Thanksgiving. No.
All right, listen to this. Let's see if it passed the test. Does it pass the test?
Sounds very sexual to me. Sounds very sexual. It sounds very similar to this.
Hey.
Sir. Mr. Clare. Really?
Hey. No, don't do that now. You can get it cracking.
The cheese sauce in there? That's what you just did?
Yeah, I poured the cheese. That's what all that stuff is. That, like, lighter cheese is. Now, to be honest with y'all, ain't nobody really coming over here because, you know, so it's just gonna be us. So this should be enough mac for all of us.
Should be way more than enough.
Should be way more because, you know, It's only a certain amount of time you can keep the leftovers.
I like me some leftovers though. Like
I love
leftovers are good for like 4 days. I'm not a big fan of leftovers. I don't know. I've been very spoiled. You know what I mean? As of like I feel like I've been like that my whole entire life. Honestly.
What?
I don't really like leftovers. Like it's something about microwaving food that doesn't. It like takes the whole thing away from me. Like, but thanks.
I agree, but that's why you can just put it back in the oven, you know, or get like a toaster oven or put it on the stove, you know. I really don't like microwave either, Claire.
Thanksgiving, bro, I fuck around eat the food the whole next week. Like, something about that Thanksgiving food, that shit don't lose flavor. Like, it tastes better.
It tastes better the day after.
It tastes better, like, and it tastes better that day after. When it sit there and you just, I'm like, oh my
you
God.
know, I be waking up in the morning having leftovers for breakfast.
Yeah, bro, I be having the leftovers for breakfast, lunch, then dinner. Me, Brim, and Ma, they just called me, forced me to take a shot.
He's letting his friends on FaceTime peer pressure him into keep getting shot.
It's not. What do you mean?
He about to take another shut because all his friends is on there taking shots.
I gotta take a shot with gang.
Hold on, let's see.
I gotta take a shot with gang.
They peer pressuring him into taking shots. Mod and who?
That's my son Boogaleezy. Boogaleezy right there.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Don't get too drunk. So the chicken for the dressing is done. I stabbed it on up because I wanted to make sure the meat was done because the meat is the only thing that's going in the dressing. It smells very good though, to be honest. And then this is the cornbread I'm making for the dressing. This is how my mac is looking right now. I'm about to actually take it out so it don't get too bad. Not bad, but too crispy. Currently making my yam sauce, you guys. I put some butter, cup of brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract. Y'all know me, I put syrup in mine. So we are pouring our yam sauce in here.
Friends made me take some shots, so I'm feeling a little nice. You said the yams is in there?
The yams
Okay.
in here.
So now y'all know, if y'all see my Instagram, I said if there ain't no marshmallows on them yams, it's like what are we doing here?
We waiting for some milk.
What are we doing here? What's gonna happen?
Do y'all eat yams with marshmallows or sweet potatoes? Comment below. And if you do have yams, do you have marshmallows? Comment below.
The yams is already done, basically, right?
Yeah, got
The yams is done. Now it's time to melt that marshmallow on top, and the marshmallow's gonna kind of seep through. Man, seeing people on Twitter talking a lot of shit about yams, y'all wildin'.
And they was talking stuff about yams with marshmallows on it. Like, y'all tripping. Y'all know.
Nah, there was way more people saying, agreeing with me about the marshmallows, yeah. But there was a lot of people also saying, like, nah, ew, that's, y'all bugging. Y'all gotta try it. Queen right now she gonna work.
I'm stressing out right now, y'all,
She
because I
gonna do
forgot
the stuffing, the dressing.
you know what you could do?
What?
You can get a fork and break all the meat up in this chicken. That would help a lot.
You trying to line me? What you trying to line me?
I'll move all this stuff so you can break up the chicken over here in the light. Yup, I'm gonna need you to do that. Yup, go ahead, Clarence. I'm gonna need your help, boo.
Can I do it with my hands?
Yeah,
You could do it, Claire.
you can do that.
You need gloves though.
We
You
have
need gloves. I need gloves. I don't want no chicken butt under my nails. Y'all gonna see me break up this chicken like a real nigga. Why is there juice in here? Bro, is this juice gonna splash on me?
He got gloves and a fork. He doing his best though. I love him. See, I like when people learn stuff. Good job, Claire.
Nah, where's the apron? I need an apron. I just got here.
Yep, once you take them out and stuff, you can eat some of the skin if you would like.
Good job, Claire. I'm glad you took off your designer shirt because that was it might get messy. You never know in the kitchen. So we saw it. Yeah, that's good.
Rip the legs off too. You can just what?
She right. You think you're gonna hurt it? It's okay. You can rip it apart. You're gonna have to eventually to get all the meat.
Right. This all get real.
The wings, just take it off too? Like,
Yeah, it has the most flavor. If you want, you could eat a wing. You want to eat a wing? This man is literally like turned off by the chicken. We're gonna use all that chicken juice to go in there too. Are you putting skin in there?
No skin. Don't put skin in there?
No skin. Eat it. Eat the skin.
No. Okay. No skin. So like.
Yeah. Yeah. You should eat that. Eat that. And went in.
Peanut butter?
Legend went inside the pantry and grabbed what he wants to eat.
Peanut butter.
He wants peanut butter and bread.
Oh, I loved peanut butter and jelly when I was little too. All right, he gonna make his own sandwich. He a big man.
On the bed.
What do you want to do, Papa?
On the bed.
He's smart. It's too cute.
Butter jelly?
You don't want to eat Thanksgiving food? It's like he waiting.
I got
Hold
you.
on, Dada, okay?
I got you.
Show your muscles, Dada.
Muscles.
Say strong.
Strong.
Strong muscles.
Strong butter.
You know how niggas come up behind this girl like this? Damn, you look good washing dishes. Oh, I can see why a nigga would come up behind this girl. Because it's like, it feel like she doing something, you know?
What?
Damn, you washing the dishes. Come here. That's how Clarence be all like, I just be doing nothing. He was like, you like, let me get some cheese.
She's tossing it. She's tossing it.
Chicken in there.
That's the chicken I ripped up right there.
That's all the ripped up chicken that's gonna go in there. Cream of celery and cream of chicken.
What's that?
This is just like a cream base, yeah, to go in there because you don't want no dry dressing. You want to be nice. You don't want wet dressing.
Dressing is dry though.
Corn, moist. Swear, you keep telling me.
You can make dry dressing. You don't ever want to have it though.
Let's just use this. What?
I'll be tying you up like your shirt.
Yeah.
Claire. Now, she's right. She put all that moisture in there so that way when it bakes, it all seeps in.
All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, we getting active. That's how you make that dressing in there. Now listen, I ain't putting my seasons in there yet. So that's why I ain't got that much color to it. It's gonna have color. Ooh, this arm though, this is a workout. Lift it from the bottom, y'all. Lift it from the bottom. Ooh.
You want me to take it from here?
Ooh. You can whip it. Show them how you whip it. Whip that dressing up. Yeah, daddy. Yeah, whip that dressing. All right, y'all. So we literally are almost done. Clarence reminded me of the banana pudding, so I'm making that. Oh, y'all, don't make fun of my Kroger brand.
I'm starving.
He's winded, y'all. I'm sorry. Well, the ham in there is almost done, and that dressing is
I heard Legend singing. Oh, that dressing look good.
about done. We got some ripe bananas. He said he don't care. He's had all types of bananas. He don't. He said, I mean, banana pudding.
Yeah, come on.
He said all types of banana pudding.
Don't do that to me, Mom.
Oh, it's okay, babe. Babe, don't do that.
I'm just checking in on.
All right, royal family. We gotta say bye-bye to y'all and happy Thanksgiving. I'm not trying to be funny, but Clarence was eating like he literally just came home from the pen. Y'all, like.
He loves it though. That look good. He got his drinks ready. He got him a one drink and a backup. He got his napkin. He got his little cup. You know, he got everything in order. And he can't even talk to us. It's so good. So good job, Queen.
He just took the only biggest scoop of mac and cheese and like, I just can't believe it.
I'm gonna go back. Gotta go back to mac and cheese town.
Mac and cheese. Look at how big that scoop is. Like you're really doing a mukbang for real. Like the real mukbang. You probably gonna go to bed after this. You're gonna be dumb tired.
See, and that's what he was waiting for. Even though he was hungry before, then now he is satisfied and happy because he's loving his food. He gonna eat a lot of it. Good job, Queen.
Nah, we gotta watch a movie for sure.
You making people out trying to really get into this.
Hey, remember how Craig was drinking that Kool-Aid off of Friday? That's how you did that.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't eat all day on purpose because then you really get into this.
Yeah.
Like, you really appreciate this.
Yeah, you gotta get into it. All right, y'all, let me get into my plate because I need to eat.
All right, y'all like, comment, subscribe.